Hello traders, welcome back. This is my analysis for the Euro versus United States dollar, in which I'll discuss my point of view regarding the graphical analysis and the opportunities for the week ahead. If this is your first time here and you'd like more videos like this in the future, make sure to like if you're watching this on Facebook or subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube. Now, let's dive in. So I'll first look on the weekly chart in order to get the direction, and then on the daily chart for further information and for the actual trading opportunities. Now, on the weekly chart, the bias is bullish, and that's because price is still contained in this upwards channel and closed the week above this 1.2288 support level. Now, on the daily chart, the bias is also bullish, and that's because price is above this support zone here, above this 1.2155 and 1.2092, which is the technical correspondent of the psychological level 1.21, and nevertheless it's still in this upwards move. However, if I take a closer look, I would expect this downwards move to continue a little more, and that's because first, this zone here is not that friendly with any appreciation, and these two zones are statement for that, because in this first case this piercing pattern tried to find here a support in order to favor an upwards move, but despite that, price preferred to revisit this support here. And the second price action area is this one, where an appreciation actually began, but it was a short-lived one. Secondly, although I can see this blue candle here, this bullish candle here, well, its body is a little smaller. It's too small to actually sustain, to be something convincing for the bulls. If I look here, 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 and here, I can see that all the bullish candles are longer, are stronger, whereas this one is, well, tiny. So I don't see any strong argument in this candle for the bulls to take note of and expect to try an upwards move. And third, important appreciations began from these two levels, this 1.2155 and 1.22 psychological level, 1.2205 on the chart. And price is a little above that, so that's why I'm expecting it to continue in its downwards move and confirm one of these two levels, as I say, this being the levels from which price actually began important ascending moves, important rallies. So I'm expecting an actual confirmation, so price stopping just above these levels and then continuing upwards, or the false break of one of these two levels, which is even better because it demonstrates that the bears don't have enough energy to pull prices down. So around this area, I'm expecting some bullish price action, some bullish pattern, which can be a bullish engulfing in the case of an actual confirmation, or a hammer in the event of a false break, or that hammer could turn out to be Itakuri, which is actually a hammer with a longer tail, but its significance is the same, or I would expect a pin bar, a bullish pin bar. But anyways, in the event of this false break, any bullish price action would be enough to trigger a buying opportunity. And for these buying opportunities, I would expect two profit targets. The first target would be just under this 1.2447, and the second target would be just under this 1.2537. Of course, I'm expecting at a certain point the continuation of this upwards move, of this rally, but I prefer to revisit the situation when price actually gets there. I also have to bear in mind the possibility of price breaking this support. And if that happens, if price gets under this level and confirms it as a resistance, this means that the bias is bearish. But again, I would like to develop this if and when price goes here, reaches this zone. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Remember to like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you want to get more videos like this in the future, and comment to let me know what you think and what you like in future videos. Trade well and take care.